Let's debunk the too busy to cook myth. It's not your schedule, it's your strategy. Stop reaching for junk that leaves you sluggish. Today, I'll show you 5 quick, healthy meals you can make in 10 minutes. Vibrant, flavor-packed dishes that fuel your body and ignite your metabolism. Forget complicated recipes. This is about smart, efficient cooking. These recipes are your secret weapons against the bulge, designed for real life, busy parents, professionals, anyone short on time. Grab a notepad and get ready to transform your kitchen and waistline. Let's get cooking. First up, a speedy, crunchy, protein-packed dish. Forget carb-heavy wraps, we're using crisp lettuce cups. Lean ground turkey is our star, keeping you full and satisfied. Heat your pan, add a splash of olive oil, dice onion, bell pepper, and mushrooms for texture and flavor. Pan's hot, in goes the turkey. Sizzle of success. Season with salt and pepper, elevate the dish. Add veggies halfway through cooking for a perfect bite. Stir in soy sauce and sesame oil for a flavor bomb. Prepare your lettuce cups, wash, and dry them. Assemble. Fill lettuce cups with turkey mix. Vibrant colors, incredible smells. A feast for the eyes. 2 or 3 wraps make a perfect meal. High in protein, low in carbs, packed with nutrients. Prove healthy eating isn't boring, it's a flavor explosion. Cleanup is a dream, 1 pan, no fuss. Cook, eat, clean up in minutes, and feel energized. Turkey and veggie lettuce wraps, done in under 10 minutes. No need to sacrifice taste or time for health. Get in the kitchen and give it a go. You will not be disappointed. Done. For those mornings when you're rushing out the door, skip the sugary pastry. Make this high-protein green smoothie. It takes 2 minutes, no cooking, just a blender. Load it with goodness to keep you powered up. Start with fresh spinach for nutrients. Add a scoop of protein powder, vanilla or unflavored. Half a banana for creaminess and natural sweetness. A tablespoon of almond butter for healthy fats. Use unsweetened almond milk to blend. Blend until smooth, vibrant green and creamy. Pour into a glass. It's a power breakfast, packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamins, perfect for busy mornings or a midday pick-me-up. 2 minutes, a blender, a few ingredients, no more excuses. This smoothie is your secret weapon, fast, filling, and delicious. What more could you want? Get blending. Done. Lunchtime. Let's avoid the pre-packaged disaster. Meet the avocado tuna power bowl, a game changer. High-quality protein, heart-healthy fats, and fiber-rich veggies. No cooking required, just combine powerhouse ingredients. Start with a ripe avocado for healthy fats. Add a can of tuna for protein. Drain well. Mash avocado and tuna together, leaving some texture. Season with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Customize with red pepper flakes or red onion. Build your bowl with a bed of greens. Add colorful veggies, like cherry tomatoes and cucumber. Spoon avocado tuna mixture on top. A symphony of textures and flavors. Perfect packed lunch. Keep components separate until ready to eat. Cheaper, healthier, and tastier than store-bought. Smart choice for weight loss without deprivation. Eat like a king, even on a busy schedule. Done. Need something warm and comforting? Try this quick soup. Delicious hearty veggie and chicken soup in 10 minutes. Use pre-cooked chicken for speed. Shred and sauté. Add quick cooking veggies like carrots, celery, and onions. Sauté with garlic for depth of flavor. Pour in low-sodium broth. Bring to a simmer. Add quick cooking greens like spinach or peas. Taste and adjust seasoning. Salt, pepper, lemon juice. Ladle into a bowl. Chunks of chicken. Colorful veggies. Filling, satisfying, and low in calories. 1 pot, 10 minutes, healthier than canned soup, packed with protein and vegetables. Perfect quick dinner or lunch for a chilly day. Wholesome, nourishing food doesn't have to be a chore. Fast, simple, and delicious. Done. Craving something sweet? Try this berry protein smoothie bowl. Thick, creamy, and packed with protein and antioxidants. Use frozen berries for a spoonable consistency. Add a scoop of protein powder, vanilla or berry flavored, Greek yogurt for creaminess and healthy fats. Minimal liquid, just a splash of almond milk. Blend until thick and smooth, like frozen yogurt. Pour into a bowl and smooth the top. Add toppings, low-sugar granola, fresh fruit, chia seeds. A work of art. Deep purple, vibrant colors. Satisfy your sweet tooth healthily. Packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats. Perfect post-workout meal or healthy dessert. Sweet, delicious, and good for you. Smart swaps and creativity in the kitchen. Grab a spoon and dive in. Done. 5 brilliant, delicious, and fast meals. Crunchy lettuce wraps, power-packed smoothie, creamy tuna bowl, hearty soup, decadent smoothie bowl, all in 10 minutes or less. Take control of your health with these recipes. Smart, efficient cooking, nutrient-dense and quick. Use, adapt, and make them your own. Transform your body and health. Start now. Like, subscribe, and join the SlimSync family. Healthy eating made simple. Comment your favorite recipe. Get in the kitchen and get cooking. Well done.